Hey, no need to buy a new speaker when the playtime of this JBL Grip speaker has much decreased. Just replace the battery. Start with a flathead screwdriver and carefully pry open both sides of the speaker grill. They are held to the speaker housing by plastic clips. There aren't any screws. Then slide the speaker housing out of the speaker grill. Next, unscrew all the Phillips screws from the back panel. Some of them are hidden under the foam tape. In total, there are 8 screws. To remove the back panel, peel off all the foam tape and carefully pull the back panel. Just be gentle, so you don't snap the wires inside. You can try to pull out the battery without disconnecting the flat ribbon cables, but I suggest disconnecting them so you don't damage them. Just take a photo to remember how they were connected. It will help you reconnect them carefully after replacing the battery. To pull out the battery, I use a flathead screwdriver, but don't push a sharp screwdriver too hard into the battery. This can cause a battery explosion. Using the screwdriver, disconnect the old battery. Here is the battery plug and the battery pads, which will help you find a replacement. When you get a new battery, plug it in. Reconnect both flat ribbon cables and screw the rear panel back on. Put the foam tape back in place and finally snap the speaker grill back on, pressing the clips into place, and that's all. Turn on the speaker and check if it plays sound. You are in luck. You replaced the battery and got back hours of music.